If you want to know how to make money with YouTube Shorts, make sure to stay until the end of the video to know exactly how to make YouTube Shorts, why you should do it, and how to get started. Make sure to watch the entire video until the end and subscribe to the channel and leave a like as well. That's much appreciated. Other than that, let's get on to the video and let's teach you how to make money with YouTube Shorts. So welcome to today's video, and today we are going to be talking about how to make money with YouTube Shorts, and let's get into it. Now, what are YouTube Shorts in case you are not familiar with these already? So YouTube Shorts are 60-second videos, and this is very similar to TikTok as well as Instagram Reels. So how do you actually start making YouTube Shorts in case you haven't already? So the first way to create YouTube Shorts is use a AI software or program to build shorts for you. One of these could be Pictory.ai, or another one could be InVideo, and both of these are in the links in the description below, and click on screen if you want to see a video explaining both of these programs. Another way you can do this is you can use your phone. Literally any phone works as long as it's a camera, you are good to go. And another way you can actually make YouTube Shorts is if you have long form content, you can break it up into shorter form content. So for example, if you have a 10-minute video and you have up to 1 minute that is very good valuable information, you can grab that and put it into a YouTube Shorts content and drive traffic from the YouTube Short to the longer form content. So how do you actually make money with YouTube Shorts? So the 4 main ways you can make money with YouTube Shorts is number 1, the YouTube Short Fund. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3, merchandise. And number 4 will be selling courses or one-on-one coaching. So to actually make money with the YouTube Shorts Fund, the YouTube Shorts Fund is shown on the right hand side, and you can get paid from YouTube directly. Exactly the same as getting paid for YouTube for your long form content, with your CPM and RPM being paid on Google AdSense. But the unfortunate thing is about YouTube Shorts is it's a very low CPM compared to long form content, and generally to make money with the YouTube Shorts program, you need to make millions and millions of views. That's a lot harder to do with YouTube Shorts, as it isn't fully monetizable like long form content. So it's not the best way to make money, but it's one of the ways to make money. Another way you can make money from YouTube Shorts is by doing affiliate marketing, and pretty much it is recommending products that you use, and you can use sites such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact, Share a Sale, and there's much more available for you. These are just a few to name some of them. So always leave your link at the top of the description, especially for YouTube Shorts, because the people will always see the top of your description on their phone or if they are watching on desktop. So if you leave it at the top, it's the first thing they will see in your description. And affiliate marketing pretty much is you get paid via commission, and this can vary from either a percentage base or a flat rate depending on the company that you choose from. Nearly anything these days has affiliate links, so take advantage of it. How do you make money from merchandise, and what can you sell? So on the right we have a image of shirts, hoodies, beanies, and a few more hoodies, and of course you can do other things such as hats, pants, shoes, socks, anything like that. But how do you actually get the app or the website? The main 2 ones are Teespring and Printify, and they are integrated with YouTube, so it's a very seamless transition from YouTube to either Teespring or Printify. So it's fast and easy to set up. I've done a few stores myself, and these are linked in the description for you, as well as anything else I've mentioned in today's video. Another way to make money with YouTube Shorts is by promoting and selling online courses. So normally people will sell knowledge that is valuable and they'll sell it in a package, and show you an example as well as give you valuable information. There is a YouTube course in the link below for you, and in my opinion it's the best YouTube course available. But if you do make a course, how can you host your course? A few main ways you can do this is through Teachable, Kajabi, and there's many more platforms. Those 2 that I just mentioned, they'll also be linked in the description below, and any other ones that I find for you in today's video. So those are the main ways you can actually make money with YouTube Shorts. So definitely go out there, try it. You can make a dedicated Shorts channel if you want to, or you can use Shorts on your main channel to drive traffic to your longer form videos. Therefore you can make more money and gain more trust into people. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like as well as subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And thank you for watching Financial Success. Tap on screen to watch another video. Goodbye.